Hey guys, just wanted to share with you a way that I had found where we can record our PowerPoint presentations at the same time as ourselves through our webcams. So let me get this pulled up for you. While that's pulling up, just a quick personal story. We're out walking today and some redneck in his big old truck pulled alongside me and my family and he yelled out the window that he'd trade his hat and a beer for one of my kids. So just ridiculous. So there's some weirdos out there right now. So watch out for that, guys. Okay, so I had found this website thanks to my wife. It's called Screencast-o-matic, and so far it's been pretty seamless from my experiments. So you have to sign up. It's free, and there's a little bit of downloading of some stuff that's required also, but so far it's worked pretty well. So as far as PowerPoints, again, you can record your PowerPoint. You can record yourself at the same time. So here's just a PowerPoint that I had put together, and it just kind of goes through it. So, beginning slide, here we go. We're all stuck inside, coronavirus. Summer's coming. Hopefully we get back to some of our hobbies that we all appreciate. Keeps us out of the house and keeps us busy. Bathing suit season's coming, so make sure you continue to work out. Push-ups are good. One-arm push-ups, very impressive. Summertime is selfie season, so get your selfies in, guys and girls. And then come November, we got some decisions to make politically. So I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if not, talk to you later.